To your health, they're two of the things Houston does best: space exploration and medical advancements.
Yeah, now MD Anderson is sending human cells into space. Health reporter Haley Hernandez is joining us now. Haley, why are they doing this?
This is really cool, right? So they are shooting for the stars to better understand one of the most complicated systems in the universe, our immune system. Inside this lab at MD Anderson,
we've been studying T cells as a form of treatment for cancer for more than 20 years.
T cells are what they're hyper-focused on. What do those do? Good question.
So T cells are a type of white blood cell in your immune system, and they're responsible for fighting viruses, sometimes called killer T cells, because they recognize and they kill the tumor.
With that kind of power, scientists like Cassian Yee want to figure out how they can manipulate T cells to provide protection from cancer. The T cells are a bit of a mystery in medicine. How the memory develops or why some T cells suffer exhaustion isn't fully understood, and the idea of provoking them is intriguing.
We're trying to develop T cells that have long-lasting memory and are resistant to exhaustion.
So he says the conditions in space may unlock discoveries he can't achieve here on Earth.
There have been a lot of experiments that have been done to simulate microgravity on Earth with random positioning machines, or even flying the T cells in parabolic flight to simulate gravity for short periods of time. But in order to influence the differentiation path that T cells take to become memory, you actually have to subject them to the influence of microgravity for longer periods of time.
And NASA says it's a launch. Yee and his team are preparing to one day send T cells to space and hoping the results are out of this world.
If we can make memory cells, then we can give patients long-lasting T cells that will continue to fight cancer and to prevent it from relapsing.
So that's who it would really be important for, is people who've already had cancer and are at risk for a relapse.
Absolutely. So one of the other important things about immunotherapy or T cell therapy is the ability to provide long-lasting protection. And doing so, you may not have to continue to give more therapy or other types of treatments that can be debilitating to the patient's health.
This project is supported by a grant awarded by the Center for the Advancement of Science in Space, which manages the ISS National Laboratory. Dr. Yee says it's in an effort to study science in a way that will benefit humans back down here on Earth.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is fascinating.
And I just love that it's all Houston, right? I mean, we've got medicine, we've got space. Super cool.
Connected, working together. All right, Haley, thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.